Hello everyone. So today I am going to explain you about a linked list. Linked list is a linear data structure and it is also a collection of nodes. Collection of nodes is nothing but this is known as what? A node. This this is there. This one. This part is known as one node. This part is known as another node like this. These are the nodes. This node, what is node exactly? Node is nothing but the attachment of the data and the pointer. Here this pointer is there now. What happens? How this linked list works? Linked list is same like array only, but array contains these subscripts like a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, like that. I'll just show you one example. Here what happens? Array is there. So in this array, just a minute. So array is there. In this array, if 1, 12, 12, 20, 25, 30, this is there. This is contains the subscripts, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. So this is regarding the array. But here what happens in linked list, there is no subscripts. But what happens? Every node, this is one node which contains one address. Another node is there which contains the another address. For example, this node is the 12. So what happens? That node contains one address like this. That is 12 node. Next 20 node, this 20 data is there. Its address is holding by this 12. And 25 address is holding by this one, 20. And so like this, sorry, this is not there. So I hope so you understood how it works. 5001 is there, which is starting. Null is there here, data is not there, but here 5001 is there. This address, uh, it is of 12s, and 12 what it is doing, it is holding the address of 20. And 5006 is there, it is the address of 25. 5008 is there, it is the address of 30. Meaning is what? This data is holding the address of this one. This data is holding the address of this one. So indirectly what I want to say is 12 is holding the address of 20, means it is linking 12 to 20, and 20 is linking to 25, 25 link is to 30. So they are not living, or they are, there is nothing like different address, but here this 12 is there which is holding the address of 20 is main thing here. This is how the linked list work. So one example they had given through a diagram. This is the head, means what, 12, and which is holding the address of this 50. 13, something like that. In the previous one which I had given 20. Okay, so same like that, the another nodes are also doing the same thing. So this is how the linked list work. And here the program is given regarding linked list. So I'm gonna explain you how this program works. So it is compulsory that we have to take a structure in the program and to implement the linked list. And here it is given, if they ask the question what is the use of linked list, you can give the answer here. Uses of linked list is given. Means what? It is different from array, and here in the linked list you can add anywhere in the given element. In the given nodes you can add the array, that is if you want to add 35, you can add in between 12 and 20. If you want to add 50, you can add at the end also. Understood? There is not restriction that after 28 only you have to start adding the values. And here you can delete any element, and you can insert any element or update any element. So this is known as what? Linked list. So this is the special feature of linked list, and many people use the linked list, and it will be helpful to provide the CRUD system, that is CRUD. CRUD is nothing but create, retrieve, update and delete. And here one more is there, search. If you want to search a particular data, then you have to give the unique key, unique roll number or something. So one example is there. I'll just show you the output first and I'll explain you the output. Then I'll move to the what? The real program, and I'll explain you each part of the program, that is how to create a linked list, how to insert the data in the linked list, and how to delete, search and update, so display. These all things I'll explain one by one. So before moving to that, I just want to tell you how to insert or how to create the linked list. So first it will ask enter your choice. So when you enter the first one, the choice is the first one, then it will ask how many nodes. So we have entered 2. So roll number 1 and 2. It will ask to enter the roll number and name. We have entered 1 Abhay, 2 Radha. Next what happens? Here we'll move to here. Enter your choice. I have entered second one. I have forgotten to enter the roll number 3 also. So we have requested only 2 nodes. Actually we have to request 3 nodes. I have missed it. So for that there is one more option, that is insert. Insert, what it will do, it will add one more record into the linked list, that is roll number 3 and it is Rupa. I have added. Next, if you want to delete the element, that is if I want to delete the roll number 2, then what happens? You have to choose the third one, that is enter your choice third. So when you enter the row number 3, then it will ask you enter roll number to be deleted. So when I select the roll number 2, then it will say node is deleted. If you want to search the element or if you want to search the name from the given list, then you have to enter the roll number. So it will ask, now the fourth option is there, search. Enter roll number to be searched. I have written 1. So it will ask, it will show you search successful. Means what? The roll number is there in the list. If I have entered 2, which is already deleted, then it will display the roll number is not entered, or sorry, it will display search unsuccessful. So last one is what? Fifth one, that is display. So which all the nodes remaining? The nodes which are remained are roll number 3 and roll number 1, and it will display as it is. Next, last one is the exit, which will come out of the linked list. So this is how it works, and in the next video I'm going to explain you the program each part by part, that is case 1. Next what I'll do, I'll move to the case 2 and I'll explain the case 2. In the next video I'll explain the case 3, case 4, like that. Each part by part I'm going to explain you people. So once again I'll revise it. What is linked list? It is a collection of nodes, and the first node is considered as a head, and each node consists of 2 parts. One is data and another one is what? Pointer. So if they ask what is node? A node which contains the data and the pointer. Okay. So here we can represent node using structure, and the examples are given. Okay. What is node means what? Linked list can be defined as collection of objects called nodes. You can tell they are randomly in memory. So I hope so you understood everything. This is just a overview